Happy Easter, everyone. This is Vintage Vinny, bringing you my March eBay sales update video. I hope the Easter Bunny brought you all a basket full of goodies that you were enjoying while watching this today. I apologize if I haven't done any haul videos in the last few weeks. Throughout my weekends, I've only found a couple of vintage pieces here or there and didn't want to do a video for just those couple of pieces. So I have a huge bunch of items to share with you all in my next video, which I should have up in the next 2 or 3 days. My work schedule's been kind of hectic. I've been getting up at about 4:45 for the last 3 weeks, and I usually get off at about 10:30, and which gets me home at about 11:30, and then sometimes I'm there till 1 o'clock, which is great because I'm getting some really good hours and getting some really good pay, but my exhaustion levels have just been out of this world. So yeah, that's my little spiel about what's been going on. So without further ado, let's get into this sales update video, which I did better last month than I did in the month of February, but again, I haven't been listing nearly as much because of my exhaustion, which I'm sure to some of you is just an excuse, but it is what it is. Alrighty, so most of you all know, if you've been following me long enough, that I don't sell clothes typically. When we first moved up here, it was kind of like, ooh, fresh start. Let's go out and see what's out here. And when that happens, you typically spend money. So we had an Aeropostale store in our mall, and I decided, okay, I like some of these t-shirts, and you know me, or if you do know me, I only hit clearance areas in these kinds of stores because this shirt, I don't know if you all will be able to tell, retails for about $19.50, which is absolutely ridiculous for a shirt that probably costs less than $5 to make. Anyway, if you don't know, Aeropostale does not accept returns without their receipts. For whatever reason, I guess it's just an easier way to track payments and their inventory. And I didn't want to just donate it to the Goodwill because I figured, it's new with tags. I'm sure somebody will buy it. So I think I may have only paid, I'm guessing anywhere from $2 to $4. So doubling my money if that's how much I paid for it, which is not the best profit, but it's better than just donating it and saying, oh, that was money well spent. So here's what it looks like. Brand new, never been worn. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen this post for this Lego Architecture Sydney Opera House model. These, according to my research, came out in 2011, and I don't think there was a very large production of these, so that's probably why they're worth as much as they are. Paid $5 for this brand new and sealed model, and I took a best offer of $100 without hesitating. So I was really, really happy about that. So if you follow me on Instagram, Vintage Vinny, VinnyMac1995, which is down below in the description box if you'd like to go ahead and follow me. I make lots of posts about vintage stuff, cool bolos, or just, it's a mixture of everything if you don't know. Personal life and sales and my collections or hordes of vintage that I have. If you don't know, that's what it is. So yeah, that was a really, really good pickup. I was really happy about that. So at my Salvation Army, I picked up both of these Starbucks travel mugs. One is for the state of Washington and one is for the city of Seattle. So I paid 50 cents a piece for them, and I took a best offer of 16 bucks, so that's about $8 a mug, which is pretty good return on investment, I think. No cracks or chips. They were pretty darn clean, and I know somebody who didn't get a chance to buy these in Washington is enjoying them right now. Another really, really good pickup, but yet it did take quite a while to sell, is this Kate Spade Raffia Lemon key fob keychain. I actually got this, gosh, probably around Christmas time. And it had been sitting in this store for quite a while, so I did pay up on it. I paid 9 bucks, but I tripled my money, actually. So I sold it for $27, and it was new without tags. There were no manufacturer's tags or anything, but I tripled my money on it, so I said, what the heck, I knew I could sell it. So this was another item that I picked up at the Salvation Army. I think I paid $1 to $1.50 for this. This is a Samsung Galaxy Note 3 S-View flip cover, brand new in the box, and I sold it for $9.99, and actually I sold this to a customer in Sri Lanka, so they paid about 14 bucks to ship this little thing, which is absolutely insane, right? At least I thought so. But hey, if you want something so bad and you're in a foreign country, hey, by all means. Another item that I picked up, which was kind of unusual, something that you wouldn't expect to see in stores nowadays, is this Tommy Bahama ashtray. Retailed for about 30 bucks, and the store that I got it at had it up for $14.99, and then it went down significantly because nobody bought it, so I paid about $1.80 for it, and I sold it for $16.99, with the buyer paying shipping, of course. Now, funny story about this. I actually bought this at HomeGoods. I remember when I was working there, I kind of went on a kick of buying everything that I'll need for my house. Like, I have a lot of kitchen utensils that are like a vintagey, retro, like aqua, or like a light blue. Their prices are fantastic. I'm telling you, if you don't shop the TJ Maxx, Marshalls, HomeGoods stores, you're crazy. I had this for a really long time, and the day that I decided to take it down and just return it and get store credit, it sold. So I was really happy about that. I remember this originally cost me 25 bucks. With my associate discount, I paid $22.50, and since I bought a bunch of other stuff, we split the payment in 3 ways. So I paid with my debit card, my PayPal card, and then a store gift card that I had won. So essentially, with the discount and then with the 2 other payments, I only paid about $15 for this, and I managed to double my money and sell it for 30 bucks. I was happy with that. Alright, last item that sold, which actually sold on the last day of March, yesterday, was this Brooklyn Standard Betty Page pinup shirt that I took a best offer of $12.25 for. I got this at Ross a long time ago, and I just tried it on recently, and the front is a little too short for me, being 6'3". That doesn't help, especially with my height, so I said, what the heck, someone out there didn't get a chance to buy one of these, or they couldn't find it in their size, so I decided to pop it up online, and somebody bought it, so I'm happy with that. I think this was originally $7.99, so I was happy to sell that for $12.25 and make $4, which again is not the best, but hey, it's better than sending it off to the Goodwill. So that's my quick little eBay sales update for you all today. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Remember, that haul video is coming up. Also, check me out on Instagram, again, if you're not following me on there. And I hope you all enjoy the rest of your Easter. Thank you for watching.